Hi, I'm Colin Stewart, Chair of Tenants Together Scotland. Today I'm going to be showing you a new area of our website that we will be launching in June this year, date to be confirmed. Disclaimer, this is in the final stages of development and testing, so some aspects of what I'm going to show you could be different to the final version when it is launched. So, big reveal, this is actually our current homepage. The only difference that you will notice will be a login button. Let me make it clear that all users who have already registered to our site won't have to re-register. The details they registered with will provide them with access to this area. All they will need is to set up a password. The registration screen contains two sections, the blue section, which is your personal details, and the purple section, which is your housing details. Note the preferred name. This can be anything you want it to be, except rude or swear words. It could be your real name, it could be a nickname, it could be whatever you want. The preferred name is the only item that is displayed automatically. Everything else is hidden by default, and I will explain more about that in a second. Users registered on or before the 6th of May 2026 have their preferred name set to PN to be set. So when you log on, you will have to set your preferred name straight away, and you can change it at any time. The type of user field is the one that determines whether you get subscriber or member role, and the type of user is in the purple section, housing details. The choices are tenant, service user, landlord, or other. Tenants and service users get member status, everyone else gets subscriber. Once you click register, an email is sent to you for you to click to accept your email address is correct and to activate your account. Please check your spam or junk if you don't see the email. Clicking on the login button gives you the usual login screen. Username is actually your preferred name, so you can put in your preferred name or email. When you log in, everyone will be taken to the dashboard. And there's two dashboards. There's one for subscribers and one for members. This one on the left there is the subscriber dashboard, and this one is the members dashboard. There's subtle differences, and for example, you will see there that following members and my privacy are showing on the members one, but not on the subscribers one. So let me explain. Um, Members will be able to message each other. They will be able to view each other's profile. They will be able to clicking on the login button will give you the usual login screen. And when you log in, you will be taken to the dashboard. There is one dashboard for subscribers and a different dashboard for members. The main difference between a subscriber and a member are that members will be able to message each other, see each other's profiles, and follow each other. Subscribers will be able to message committee members. All users will be able to comment on our posts, and I'll come more to that. Whether you have registered already or have yet to register, none of your details are used for anything but our information. Nothing will be ever shared, and none of your details will ever be disclosed or displayed on the site to anyone without you choosing to display that information. When you register or are already registered, the only field that is visible, as I've said, is your preferred name. Once logged on, you can choose what fields you wish to display, and I will show you that in a moment. The blue section is your personal details, and the purple section is your housing details. We ask that you do fill out every field. This is purely for our statistics. We do not ask for your address as we don't think it is necessary for us to have that. We just ask for city or town and local authority so we know we are reaching people from across the country. You can see in some fields a red asterisk and a red or green dot. The red asterisk tells you that it is a required field, and the red dot tells you that it is a hidden field, and the green dot tells you it is a field that you've chosen to be visible. You'll also see at the top a green dot by the name. That tells you the user is online. This is the housing details with red and green dots, similar to the personal details. The account is where you change your email address and password, and there are links to the notifications and the directory private fields. Notifications is where you can choose which events to be notified about, for example, when a user starts following you. The directory of private fields, this is where you can choose for all of those fields what you show or hide. You can also show or hide your last login details and your online status. The choice is yours. So if you're a member, you will be able to click on followers or following, and you will see what users are following you and what users you're following. On the comments section, you will see any comments that you have made to the site. Users registered on the site, whether subscriber or member, will be able to comment on any of our posts, whether that be a blog about our activities or our latest minutes. Comments will be open for 90 days from posting, and all posts will be moderated. There is the message section, which shows you any messages that you have sent or received. There is the bookmark section, which shows you any pages or posts that you have bookmarked. And to bookmark, on each page, on the left-hand side there, you will see bookmark, and clicking on that will save that in your profile. The other exciting part of this is groups. And the groups is a new bit of the site we are really excited about, and how this provides our users to be more proactively involved in the work that we do. This will allow you to help us with our working groups, with projects that we're working on, and initially it will only be open to tenants and service users, but we will have groups that landlords and other stakeholders will also be able to get involved in. And that is a brief tour of the new site area that we will be launching next month. I hope you like it, and please provide feedback and questions. Thank you.